Hi everyone, welcome to Australian Tamilan channel. Today I'm going to showcase the Hindu temple that's located in Brisbane. This is Sri Selva Vinayagar Temple and it is located around about 40 kilometers south of Brisbane at South McLean near the banks of Logan River. Okay, we are looking at the car park of the temple. This is the entrance of the temple. This is where you need to remove your footwear and place them here. Footwears are not allowed inside the temple. So this is the front garden with the flowering plants. The temple that you are seeing was renovated and inaugurated in 2015. What you see on the screen is the old temple before this new one was constructed. And this is the main gopuram, and it is though it looks plain, it has some beautiful sculptures. Unfortunately, we can't take photographs or videos inside the temple. We are going to take you for a walk around the temple. The temple features beautiful lawns. You can see someone mowing the lawn. There are toilets just behind the temple. Here there is a beautifully painted large sculpture of Lord Shiva family. It features Lord Shiva, Goddess Parvati, Vinayagar or Ganesha, Lord Murugan. So we are walking around the temple. There are lots of cultural activities happening in the temple. Religious classes for children to teach about Hinduism, the values of Hinduism. Regardless of race, religion, language, all are welcome to enter the Hindu temple. There are some guidelines that need to be followed. Please visit the temple website to know further details. There are peacocks roaming in the temple. They are being taken care by the temple management. Peacock is one of the sacred bird as per the Hindu tradition. I told you earlier that you cannot photograph inside the temple. That's true, but I'm going to give you a preview of how it will be inside the temple. And there are some photographs from the temple website which were taken just after the inauguration. You can see them on screen right now. It features beautiful paintings, sculptures that depict Hindu mythology and stories. They are definitely worth a look. Alright, that's all for now. If you like such Australian based videos, please subscribe to Australia Tamilan channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.